Three letter English words. A L L all. A N D and. A R E R. B U T but. P I G big. C A N ken. C U T cut. D I D did. D A Y day. D R Y dry. E A T eat. F O R far. F L Y play. G O T got. G E T get. H A S as. H A D yard. H I S is. H I M him. H E R her. H O W how. N E W new. N O T not. O U R our. O L D world. O U T out. O N E one. P U T put. R U N run. S H E she. S E she. S A W saw. T W O two. T H E the. T T O O two T O P top T R Y try U S E use W A S was W H Y W H O who W A Y way Y O U Y E S Y E T hat. Thank you for watching video.
Thank you for watching video.